Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video. Yes, like the video. I'm not just saying this to say trackies, there is a reason. Now for the video to get pushed through the YouTube algorithm, you have to ensure that you smash that like button, trackies, so that more people know about TXT Track Time and can get in on the fun and join, of course, our lovely community. Now trackies, so yeah, you're watching, you're always watching, so hit that like. Also, if you have yet to subscribe, I also don't know what you're waiting on. You know TXT Track Time is a place to be, so hit that subscribe button as well, because clearly you're always here watching, right? One more thing also, trackies, we have a TXT Track Time page on Instagram. Please go ahead and give us a follow there. Hit the link in the description. Thank you. Now that business is out of the way, trackies, time to discuss the ladies of speed. Now, who am I talking about? Yes, well, everybody in this video. Everybody in this video is a lady of speed. So we're going to kick things off with Sha'Carri Richardson hitting up the US Formula One Grand Prix in Austin, Texas. Now, trackies, she was out there doing big things. Yes, Sha'Carri Richardson was handing out the trophies at the US Grand Prix. Now I have to admit, trackies, she definitely fit right in because she herself is a star in the sport. How is she a star? Well, you know, minus all the drama, we know that Sha'Carri Richardson won the women's 100 meters at the World Championships in Budapest. And not only that, trackies, she has 2 gold medals. Yes, at her first major global championships, she also walked away leading her team, anchoring them to 4x1 gold as well. So Sha'Carri Richardson is out there doing big things with the stars, mingling with them, and also getting opportunities to hand out trophies to other major stars in major sports. And I'm talking about the Formula One. Also, trackies, she was supporting the females in Formula One and advocating for the growth of the sport. Now, trackies, I'm going to let you take a listen to Sha'Carri Richardson, the lady of the moment, or as she put it, she's her. Take a listen.
I'm here today, Sha'Carri Richardson. I'm here supporting the young ladies here, doing their thing, speed everywhere, speed all the way around. I love it. I want them to continue to do their thing, and I continue to hope that this sport continue to grow.
Alright, so trackies, there you saw Sha'Carri Richardson. So yeah, she's definitely out here doing big things, supporting the women in Formula One, as well as taking up a spot clearly deserved, handing out trophies, trackies, to other major stars. Now, trackies, someone else that was also at the US Formula One Grand Prix is Dina Asher-Smith. And I have to say, Dina literally just left her home base in England and has now moved over to Austin, Texas. And she has seamlessly, it appears, assimilated into Texas culture, or should I say Texan culture. Anyway, trackies, she was definitely out here as well, definitely supporting the ladies as well for the Formula One Grand Prix. Now, trackies, both ladies have a big season ahead of them because, of course, next year is the Olympic year. So we're clearly excited to see what they will deliver on the biggest stage. Now, trackies, moving on from Sha'Carri and Dina's fusion of speed over to the athlete that can be considered the greatest of all time in the women's 100 meters. I'm talking about the one and only Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Shelly says tomorrow is for winners. Exactly, trackies. Now, with Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's mindset, trackies, it's no wonder she's become such a global icon, legendary in the sport of track and field. She says there's always something to fix to improve oneself. Take a listen to Shelly.
I get sober, you know, for me, I take nothing for granted, you know, I continue to work, even when persons believe I'm the greatest starter there is, I still think there's room for improvement and getting it done. So hopefully, I look forward to my next competition and hopefully I can do the same.
So trackies, it should be no surprise why Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has garnered so many medals over the years. I'm talking about being a 5-time world champion over the 100 meters. I'm talking about being a 2-time Olympic champion over the 100 meters. And that's not the only place that she has gold medals as well. She did win for herself a gold medal in that 200 meters as well. So Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has been doing her thing over the years, and clearly it's the mindset that she has that we can attribute her successes to. So trackies, Trackies, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a tingling sensation in my body. I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to 2024. There's so many girls. Earlier I spoke about Sha'Carri and Dina. We know Sha'Carri Richardson can do it. We know because she won, right? And she's currently also a 10-6 athlete. Then there's Dina making steps to improve herself as well. And then of course Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce says, look here, do not forget about me. I'm still the one, right? So Trackies, I'm definitely 100% excited to see what's going to happen next year. Also Trackies, for the next athlete that I'm going to discuss, and it's the one and only also Elaine Thompson Hero. Boy, Trackies, we're definitely spoiled in the sport. We have so many phenomenal women. I don't even think I can count when it comes to men, having so many phenomenal men in one season. Let me see. Let's go back to Usain Bolt's era. Let's see. We had Usain, we had Asafa, we had Tyson, we had Justin Gatlin. You know, I would say that's roughly 4. That was, you know, 10. I mean, sorry, not 10. I mean, 9, 7 or faster, right? So when you look at the current crop of female ladies, and you can count so many, the Sha'Carris, the Elaines, the Shellys, the Sharikas, then of course there's the Dinas, the Talus. You start to say to yourself, we've definitely entered a glory period for female sprinting, absolutely. And this lady that I'm going to speak about, Trackies, also holds the torch of one of the female Trackies that are legendary in the sport as well. Now recently she had her first day of practice, yes. So now Elaine Thompson Hero is back in practice, and she says, look here, this is a new season. We're on the road to Paris. Same goals, dreams, aspirations, with perseverance, faith and belief. Now Trackies, watch Elaine Thompson Hero's first day of training.
So today was my first day back at practice. As you see, I'm getting ready, pick up my bag, pick up my mat, then I'm heading through the door. Yes, it's really dark. Yes, putting my stuff in the trunk, take up my sneakers, get into the car, ready to head out now. As you see, starting the engine. I'm about to leave. Stop waiting for the gate to open. I reach at the track, I'm warming up. When I reach under the hill, I'm warming up. Warming up, still warming up. Getting the muscles ready to do my workout. Yes, swinging my arms. Yes, I'm still doing some stretches, ready for my workout. Yeah, still doing some stretches. Nearly fall off of the hill. Oh God, nearly drop. Anyways, here I'm about to start, you know, dolly mash up on the first day. There I go again, doing another set. Yes. I've been over a little bit, I walk down, tired. One palm my hip, lift up my shirt, yeah. Been over again. Oh Lord, dolly mash up, she tired. Anyways, I'm not depressed and sad and tired. Watch ya, could dolly on her back. Murder, no sir. Watch ya, dolly.
All right, Trackies, what do you think? So Elaine Thompson here is back in training, and she looks good, Trackies. Now, don't get me wrong, not good in the sense that, you know, we can clearly see any speed happening. No, because this is just background training. But I'm talking about health-wise. She looks healthy, and that's the most important thing for me. And as I said, with Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, I'm getting a tingling sensation. When I see Elaine looking good, I start to tingle all over my body. I'm excited. I'm anticipating the future. I can't wait for 2020. Anyway, Trackies, y'all sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. So the ladies of speed are out there, Trackies, and what do you think about their steps towards the future? Sha'Carri Richardson clearly assimilating herself into stardom, and then of course we have Elaine and Shelly looking forward to 2024. Like the video, of course, and subscribe. I'll catch you in a next one.